So today I'm going to talk about the symbol which was very near to my heart because it was the first symbol that was introduced to me as a child. So that is a Ek Omkar symbol. Ek Onkar symbol is not exactly a symbol, it's a concept which was given by Guru Nanak Dev Ji and talked about that there is only one Om, that there is only one light, and that light is within us and around us and everywhere. So it is about the concept of oneness, it about the concept of belief that everyone is one, and it brings us all together because we are one together in everything that we do. And we believe that you and I are one in this world, and we are vibrating with the same divine energy because this is the concept of oneness, that you and we belong together. And with this, especially the symbol which I conceptualize it with the flower of life pattern. So flower of life pattern is about blossoming. It's about one circle when connected with different circles drawn together with the sacred geometry pattern which is called, it brings a unity that from one it expanded to everything, and from everything it expanded to one. That's why hanging them together, the Ek Omkar and the flower of life, which is going from micro to macro and from macro to micro, believing in oneness, that everything starts from oneness. Thank you.